By the end of this video, you will see a beginner in Scratch, which is me, making a platformer from scratch. So, this is the Scratch project page, or where you can create games. I know just one thing about making a Scratch game. You need to grab this block first, when the green flag clicked. So it's like a play button. So let's add this block. What this block do? Oh, it can't connect with the first block. So let's take forever and make it alone. Let's keep it space and grab the motion block. Yeah, when I click the space bar, it will move by 10 steps and turn by 15 degrees. So let's test that. I have to click the green flag. Okay, it's working. Let's stop it. And let's reset the position of the Scratch sprite and also the direction. And let's take the blocks of the movement and make them in the forever. Let's see what happens. So now that we've gotten familiar with the Scratch interface, let's make a platformer. But first, let's see how games are created in Scratch, because I don't know how can I build an entire game with these blocks. If you are a Scratch user, you know exactly who GriffPatch is. He's the father of the most amazing games in Scratch. And we're really lucky that GriffPatch has a YouTube channel where he shares his tutorials with us. Just take a look at his profile. Over 100 shared projects. Man, one of the best projects I like in his profile is Getting Over It. You know, my laptop wouldn't handle the original game, but with GriffPatch, I can play it from my browser. Okay, let's test. Getting Over It. New game. Let's go. It's easy, man. It's easy. I said it's easy. Yeah. To be honest with you guys, I played it before. Oh my god. Let's do it again. Slowly. Slowly. Yeah. So now we have to...
more intense than starting over.
I get it. Like the original game.
After you shared it, as I have.
Let's go!
Was working on a project, only to notice too late that one of your sprites has unexplainably gone missing.
Shut up.
If you made use
Shut
of that
the fuck. And there is another game by GriffPatch that I like, which is Minecraft. Yes, Minecraft. I'm not kidding. Okay, let's test. New game. Done. Okay, it's generating the world. It's Minecraft, man. Holy crap. I don't know how he did it. This game was made in Scratch. It's amazing, man. Look, wow. Really impressive, man. So, like I said, making a platform in Scratch is easy. I just need to watch a tutorial for it. Do you think I'm GriffPatch to make the game on my own? GriffPatch has a great playlist about how to make a platformer from scratch, with a massive amount of details. There are 19 videos, all of them over 20 minutes long, with lots of game mechanics. But I'll not follow his playlist for this video. If you are curious about where I'm learning Scratch from, this playlist. I mean, it has everything in it. Mastering this playlist will make you a pro Scratch user or developer. Because I'm not a pro Scratch developer, I'll follow this tutorial which covers how to make a platformer in just 27 minutes. The idea of the platform I want to make is to remake my first game that I make in any new game engine, like Godot, which is the red circle game. We don't need this Scratch sprite. So, goodbye. Instead, I'll make a circle, like this. Let's make it red. You know, it's the red circle game. I think it needs more width in the outline. No, that's too much. Now it's good. Now, the red circle is ready, but it is in nowhere. We need to design a level. Let's start with dirt. Okay, now adding some grass. Okay, now we're seeing something here. With some extra work, I made level 1. It looks really cool, isn't it? With that said, now the game is ready. What? How? Look, I can control the red circle with my mouse. Isn't that a game? Obviously, we need to add mechanics to the player by first adding gravity. As you can see here, this forever is the game loop. The up-down movement block is the block that handles the gravity in jumping. But for now, I'm working on gravity first. When I click the green flag, the play button, the player spawns in the position I set in the first block, and then applies the gravity. Now, let's make the red circle jump. Yay! The same block which handles the gravity of the red circle also handles the jumping mechanic. The jump height is the value we set in the game loop in the block of up-down movement. Now, the red circle can jump. Yeah! We're not making Flappy Bird here. So, I have to make the player move right and left. The same concept of up-down movement applies to another block that I made that handles the right and left movement. What I understand that these pink blocks the user can make are the functions in programming languages, and the forever loop makes those blocks repeat themselves over and over, which creates the illusion of movement, as you can see here. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like and sub. You just made one level. Okay, let's design another one. It looks amazingly perfect. Following the tutorial, now the player can move between the levels. The mechanic which handles this transition is easy to understand. When the player is close to the edge of the screen, we send like a signal in Godot to switch the costume of the level and to spawn the player in the right position using the spawn X and the spawn Y variables I added. Yup, we need to respawn the player when he falls. So with adding extra block, now we can say the red circle game looks really good. Watch this video to see why I moved to Scratch from Godot.